Chaitanya Vikas Foundation is a not-for-profit organization. It is formed with a vision and mission to help poor cerebral palsy affected children. We have formed this with a view that we network patients, physiotherapists, doctors, and hospitals, connect them together and receive help from the donors, and thus we aim to deliver the treatment free of cost. Cerebral palsy is a non-progressive condition. It happens before the birth or during birth or immediately after birth, where part of the brain is damaged, and that damage is stopped from that moment of time. However, because of the affected brain, the movement is grossly affected, and if adequate treatment is not given in the early stages, that difficulty movement and stiff muscles will continue to make the situation worse. Therefore, early recognition and early intervention is essential to stop the progression and also to help the patient to be independent. Most of the patients will do well with simple physiotherapy, but it requires to be prolonged physiotherapy. However, surgeries are often necessary. We prefer to do as many surgeries as possible. The cost of surgeries is very simple, cheap, and no specialized equipment is necessary. And then the patient has to be put into a useful, functioning life. That is occupational therapy. Our aim is to provide a comprehensive total therapy, total treatment, early treatment, and complete treatment. This one-time treatment would help the patient to become independent, be able to take care of himself or herself, and lead a respectable life. With this in mind, the foundation wishes to extend this through various social means and spread the message so that more and more patients come to our attention. Our volunteers, doctors, physiotherapists, and network hospitals, along with the philanthropic attitude, help of our donors, we provide a complete treatment to these children. It is a networking type of organization where many volunteers can participate from different places. They can spend their free time to do a voluntary work. And also we appeal to the parents of those children who had cerebral palsy. They went through the hardship and how disturbing, how difficult it is. And therefore, these are the best people to help our newly diagnosed patients and their parents to give moral and emotional support. And of course, financial support will be provided by the foundation. So this Chaitanya Vikas Foundation is primarily to help cerebral palsy children to make their life better, to make them independent and live an independent life.